Hello everyone, welcome to the channel UMathsTube. In this video, we'll solve two more word problems. Let us start with the first problem. Problem number 1. Peter bought a TV which costs $1,644. He needs to pay the amount back in 12 equal installments. How much is each installment? Let amount of each installment is X dollars. Since there are 12 equal installments, total payment in 12 installments is 12 times X or $12x. So this $12x equals total cost of the TV, which is $1,644. Therefore, 12x equals 1,644 and x equals 1,644 divided by 12. So we get x as 137, which is the amount of each installment in dollars. So the amount of each installment is $137. So this is the end of first problem. Let us start the next problem. Problem number 2. David is 5 years younger than Jill. Jill is 9 years older than Mike. Mike is 6 years older than Ian. How many years younger is Ian than David? Let us first consider the age of Jill. Let Jill is X years old. In the question it says David is 5 years younger than Jill. So we have to minus 5 from Jill's age to get David's age. So David is X minus 5 years old. Again it says Jill is 9 years older than Mike. So to get the age of Mike, we have to minus 9 from Jill's age. So Mike is X minus 9 years old. Again, Mike is 6 years older than Ian. So Ian is 6 years younger than Mike, if we think in opposite way. So we have Mike's age, which is X minus 9 years. So to get the Ian's age, we have to minus 6 from Mike's age. So we get X minus 9 minus 6 years old. And if we simplify, we get X minus 9 minus 6 years old. So we get X minus 15 years old as Ian's age. So the question says, how many years younger is Ian than David? So we get David age as X minus 5 years and Ian's age as X minus 15 years. So the difference between these 2 years is the amount of age we need to be calculated. So the number of years Ian is younger than David is David's age, which is X minus 5, minus Ian's age, which is X minus 15 years from here. So if we simplify, we get X minus 5 minus X, and this minus times this minus becomes plus 15 years. So we get 10 years. So Ian is 10 years younger than David. So this is the answer for this problem. So this is the end of problem 2 also. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see in the next video.